we picked up a new bagless canister vacuum. It's an Aspiron. We're going to go ahead and give this thing a try. We have not used it yet. I'm just unpackaging it. It comes with a extendable tube. For the handle. The head brush itself, that's for carpets and floors, doesn't have a roller in it, so it'll be kind of interesting to see how that thing works. It has all the little attachments, of course, and it has the little couch pet brush. So we're going to go ahead and run this real quick in our car to see if we can get out our pet hair. So we'll go check that out. Okay, what's nice about this, it has a minimum and maximum amount of suction, and it has on the handle right here where you can slide this back to release some of the vacuum. Let's go ahead and turn this on. It's on minimum. That's got a pretty good suction down on minimum. That's halfway. Wow, that's pretty good. Let's go all the way. Now it's all the way on maximum. Alright, let's go ahead and see what it does inside the car. Turn it down to the middle setting, and we're going to see if we can get a bunch of this dog hair off it. Hear our dog in the background. She sheds quite a bit in the spring. That's at half setting, and that's got a heck of a lot of vacuum. Oh, heck yeah. We have a shark tonight. We have a shark vacuums upright that I really like. But this thing actually has a lot more vacuum to it. We'll go ahead and put this head on and see what it does down here along the carpet, along the edges, where there's a whole bunch of dog hair. Definitely brings the dog hair off of this mat. We got a seat cover right here, and this is actually taking that off really good. Oh yeah. This actually has a lot of vacuum and it works really good. So we'll try it in the house next. Well, it definitely works. Let's check out that. Look at that. Look at all that hair in there. Good vacuum cleaner. Well, we'll go use it inside now and check it out in there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and check out this Aspiron on the carpet. That's the one that has the head that doesn't have the roller brushes. So we're going to see how well that does on the carpet. It worked really good because there's a heck of a lot of vacuum in the when you turn it up to the high vacuum or the high suction, but we'll see how that works. Okay, I got it up on full suction. That is sucking to the carpet really hard. Okay. Almost too much, especially if you close the vent right here on the handle. So let's go ahead and turn that suction down. Okay, now it moves a lot easier. You can see with this head right here, it doesn't have rollers. But it says it's designed for carpets too, but I think it works better on hardwood floors. Oh, you can see right here the collection of the dog furry hairs on the top. So that plastic is creating a lot of static. And our dog, of course, it's spring, so she's shedding her winter coat. It's definitely sticking to the vacuum cleaner on the outside. We'll have to check and see if it's going inside. Okay, I threw a few things on the floor right there. There's a little blue thing right there, and there's a noodle on the floor, and a couple little pieces of cheese right here. Let's see if we can get that in there. Let's move them together. Okay, there we go. Now let's see how well this thing works. Great on well, it's definitely picking up everything on the linoleum floor. Any little dirt or anything like that, it's working really good. Well, it comes with a little pet hair brush. Let's go ahead and see. Oh yeah, much better. That's actually working. That actually worked really good. It took all that dog hair up. So that's kind of cool. The vacuum makes that right there spin, which has a belt on it, which turns the brush up here. That's pretty cool. And you can adjust its speed by opening and closing the little valve right here. That's not even all the way. There we go. That's crazy. Well, it's a great vacuum for linoleum, doing your car, or tile. I forgot to check that head. I already emptied it after we did the car, so this here is what came just out of that little bit of carpet. So, actually, if you can see that, oops. Well, heck, I almost forgot one thing. Right here, it's got a button, the power button, and the cord button. It's got a 25-foot cord. It pulls out and it locks out and it stores inside. If you push in on the button right here for the cord, let's get this, I'll get it pushed in. It'll feed the cord right back in there. So it actually stores the cord inside the machine, which is kind of nice. So that's another plus with this. Alright, the Aspiron. It's a pretty nice vacuum. They're a bit expensive, but I think this was like $150, $150 some dollars on Amazon. Definitely a good vacuum, but it's kind of like one of those good and bad on the carpets. Tile works great. The linoleum works great. In your vehicle, works great. On the carpet, it actually works great. It has lots of suction. It actually pulls up a lot of stuff that the other vacuums aren't getting. But With that weird head, it's just kind of like sucks itself really hard to the carpet and makes it hard to move back and forth. But maybe that's why it sucks or cleans up so well. Alright, thanks for watching.